Good morning, boys and girls. Mr. G here. It is now time to go over our morning message. So, attached in the Google Classroom below this video, I have a copy of our morning message. So if you could print that out, that's great. Or, like what your boys and girls have been doing, you can always write it on a separate piece of paper or write it right on your device. So boys and girls, please take the time out to get your morning message ready. And once you're ready with your morning message, we know we always start our morning message by writing our name. So, boys and girls, please write your name on top of your morning message. All right, and then after you write your name on your morning message, we know we look at our classroom calendar. Our classroom calendar. Mr. G is just fixing the calendar. Our classroom calendar. So the first thing we look at on our calendar is the month, and the month is April. It is April. It is April 9th, right? That's a 9. It's April 9th. And the year is 2020. So it is April 9th, 2020. And the day of the week is Thursday. It is Thursday. So if today was Thursday, the day before Thursday, yesterday, was Wednesday. And tomorrow, the day after Thursday, is Friday. So today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. Yesterday was Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Friday. All right, boys and girls, so if you could please fill that out on your morning message, and then we'll continue, okay? And like what Mr. G's been doing, Mr. G will also take a picture of our calendar for today and our schedule for the day and attach that into the Google Classroom just in case the video is moving too fast for you guys. All right, but after we write today, what today was and what tomorrow is, we know we look at our weather. So like what Mr. G's been saying in these videos, where he is, Mr. G cannot see what the weather is like outside. He has no windows by him. So, if you boys and girls can go to your window, take a look outside, and see what the weather is like today. Is it sunny out? Is it cloudy out? Is it rainy? Is it windy? And also, when you're looking at the weather, please put your hand on the window and feel what the temperature is like today. Is it hot out? Is it warm? Is it cool? Is it cold? And I want you boys and girls, once you get that information, to come back, fill that out in your morning message, and then let Mr. G know. Comment in the Google Classroom. What is the weather like today? All right, and then after we go over the weather, we know we look at our flow of the day, okay? So as you can see, our schedule is very similar, or the same as what it has been, or what it was in our old Google Classroom, okay? But over these next 2 days, we are going to do some different things, right? Some things are going to be different. So we're going to start our morning like we always start our morning, logging in, doing our morning message, like you boys and girls are doing right now. After we do our morning message at 9 o'clock, for ELA Building with Stories, what you guys are going to do is you're actually going to listen to a read aloud from Mr. G. So I'm going to give the read aloud, and you guys are going to let Mr. G know your opinion on the read aloud, right? How you feel. Okay? So the read aloud will be in for Building with Stories, and also we will have our worksheet with that read aloud. So you guys will give Mr. G your opinion on the read aloud. After that, at 9:30, you guys get to choose an activity. Okay, so in our new Google Classroom, you guys will leave Mr. G's classroom and go to that other classroom where all of those activities will be for those 4 areas, right? Social skills, art, APE, and music. Okay, so you guys get to choose an activity from there, and then you'll come back into Mr. G's classroom for 10 o'clock for ELA, ELSB, and First Authors. So this will also be a little different because for today and tomorrow, right? Tomorrow's Friday. What I'm going to give you guys is some independent reading time. Okay, so I attached the link in the Google Classroom during that time period for this website called Epic Books. So you guys can sign up for this website called Epic Books, and it gives you tons of books that you can access for free. So you guys are going to get that time to read a story independently or with a family member, and you guys will do a little book report on your independent reading story. So you guys are going to tell me the title, the author of the story, what did you like the story, and what was the story about. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing in ELSB and First Authors. At 10:40, you guys will get a movement break. So in our new Google Classroom, all the way down, you guys will have a movement resource area. So you guys will be able to click on one of those movement resource areas, which will give you a brief description of it and a link to one of those movement websites that we've been using in our old Google Classroom. So you guys will be able to do that during movement. After movement, then at 11, you guys get to choose an activity again from those 4 areas. After that, at 11:30, we will have math. So in math today, we are going to be doing some more fun in math. We're going to get away from money for a little bit, and you guys are going to do a little more fun activities in math. So what Mr. G will be doing in math is he'll actually attach a link to a different website. It's this coding website where you guys can learn all about coding. So that will be a lot of fun, and you'll learn more about that in math. All right. After math, at 12:15, we'll have our ADL and chores period. Okay, so that's when you guys will get ready for lunch. You guys will wash your hands, right, and get ready for lunch. Then you guys will have lunch at 12:30. Then at 1:20, our science and social studies period over these next few days is going to be related to the theme that the DOE has given out to us. Okay, because we were supposed to have, this was supposed to be our spring break, but because of what's going on in the world, they want us to still do our remote learning. So, and they gave us days. They gave us a theme for each day. So our theme today is college and career readiness. So you guys are going to do an activity during our science and social studies period on college and career readiness. Okay? And I think that will be a lot of fun. Okay? So that's what you guys are going to be doing then. Then at 2:20 again, you can go down to our movement resources, pick one of the movement resources out, and enjoy a nice little movement break and get ready to log off and enjoy the rest of your day with your family, the rest of your Thursday with your family. Okay, so like always, boys and girls, if you have any questions, you could always message me on Class Dojo, comment below in the Google Classroom, or send me a message on Gmail, and I'll get back to you. Okay, so until our next video, I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.